Physical properties of metals. Metals exist in solid state. Exception: mercury and gallium exist in liquid state at room temperature. See this photo. Gallium and mercury, these are the metallic elements which exist in liquid state. Generally, all metals are hard in nature, but exception: lithium, sodium and potassium, these are the metals which are very soft, which can be cut with the knife also. Ductility: the ability of a material to have its shape changed, as by being drawn out into the wire or thread without losing strength or breaking, so that we can make the different jewelries due to the ductility property of the metals. Malleability: it is a property of a material may be flattened into thin sheets by hammering or rolling. If we hammer metal piece by using hammer continuously, then metal piece can be made into the thin sheet. Sonority: a sound is produced when certain metals are struck. That means the metals can produce the sound. When we struck the metals, we know that these metals are known as sonorous metal and property known as sonority. As we see the school bell is ringing because this bell is made up of metal iron. Good conductor of heat: metals have high melting point and boiling point because they conduct the heat. Example: tungsten, 3422 degrees Celsius, this much high melting point of the tungsten. But exception: sodium, mercury, gallium, these are the metallic elements which are having low melting point. The metal pots for cooking we use because they conduct the heat. Metals are good conductor of electricity also. Metals conduct electricity by allowing the free electrons to move between the atoms, because we know that the electric current is causes due to the free electrons, as the metallic atoms contains lot of free electrons, so that they can conduct electricity. See our electric circuit. When we connect the wood, the bulb is not glow. That means electric circuit is not completed, as wood is insulator. But when we connect copper piece, then the electric bulb start to glow. That means copper is a metal which conduct the electricity. Metals are lustrous and can be polished, so that we can use the metals for making the jewelries, coins, etc. Gold, silver, copper are highly lustrous elements. Metals show high density. The metals are having high density. Tungsten, this is a metallic element which show high density.